If you want to earn through playing games, then subscribe to this channel and watch the video till the end. Imagine playing your favorite game and actually making real money from it. No, this isn't just a dream. It's happening right now with play-to-earn blockchain gaming. But how does it work? Is it the future of gaming or just another trend? Stick around and I'll break it all down for you. So, how exactly can you start earning through play-to-earn games? If you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps so you can start your journey today. Step 1. Choose the right game. Not all play-to-earn games work the same way, so the first step is to research and pick a game that suits your budget and interest. Some popular options include Axie Infinity, a battle game where you earn SLP tokens. The Sandbox, a virtual world where you can buy, sell, and develop virtual land. Gods Unchained, a card game where you collect and sell rare cards. Look for games with active players, strong development teams, and real earning potential to avoid scams or failing projects. Step 2. Set up a crypto wallet. Since these games run on blockchain, you'll need a crypto wallet to store your earnings and game-related assets. Some common wallets are MetaMask, best for Ethereum-based games. Trust Wallet, good for mobile users. Ronin Wallet, for Axie Infinity. This wallet is where you'll store in-game tokens, NFTs, and make transactions while playing. Step 3. Buy initial assets, if required. Some games are free to play, while others require an initial investment. For example, in Axie Infinity, you need to buy 3 Axie creatures to start playing. In the Sandbox, you might need to purchase virtual land. If you're on a tight budget, look for games that offer scholarships, where experienced players lend assets to beginners in exchange for a share of the earnings. Step 4. Start playing and earning. Once you're set up, start playing the game. There are different ways to earn: winning battles, completing missions, or reaching milestones that reward tokens. Mining or staking in-game currency to earn passive income. Buying and selling NFTs like virtual land, skins, or rare game items. Renting out valuable assets to other players who don't want to invest upfront. Step 5. Withdraw and convert your earnings. After earning tokens or NFTs, you can sell or trade them for real money. Here's how. Transfer your earnings from the game to your crypto wallet. Use a crypto exchange, like Binance or Coinbase, to convert tokens into real-world currency. Withdraw the money to your bank account, or reinvest in the game to earn even more. How to avoid scams in play-to-earn gaming. Since play-to-earn is still new, there are risks of scams and unstable projects. Here are some key ways to protect yourself from losing money or getting hacked. Research the game thoroughly. Before investing any money, check the game's white paper, developer team, and roadmaps. If a game makes unrealistic promises like guaranteed profits or no risk, it's likely a scam. Check community reviews, join Reddit, Discord, and Telegram groups to see real user experiences. If a game has negative reviews or users reporting withdrawal issues, stay away. Avoid unknown or unverified projects. Scammers create fake play-to-earn games to steal your money. Stick to well-known and audited projects with a proven track record. Be wary of Ponzi schemes. If a game only pays rewards when new players join, rather than through real gameplay mechanics, it's likely a Ponzi scheme that will collapse eventually. Use secure wallets and never share private keys. Hackers can target your crypto wallet, so always use two-factor authentication, 2FA, and never share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone. Watch out for phishing websites and fake apps. Always download wallets and game apps from official sources. Scammers create fake versions of real websites to steal your login details. Check tokenomics. If the in-game currency has unlimited supply or no use case, it might become worthless over time. Always check if the game has a solid economic model. Now that you know the step-by-step process and how to avoid scams, the question is play to earn the future of gaming or just a passing trend? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto and gaming content.